Have you ever whispered this question in the middle of the night? Ya Allah, if you love me, why am I still struggling? It's a question many people are afraid to ask. But the Quran teaches us that hardship is not always a sign of Allah's anger. Sometimes, it's a sign that He is preparing you. Allah says, "Do people think they will be left alone because they say, 'We believe and will not be tested'?" Faith isn't proven when life is easy. It's revealed when life is difficult. Think about gold. Before it shines, it must pass through intense fire. The fire doesn't destroy the gold. It removes what doesn't belong. Sometimes our struggles do the same. They remove pride. They remove arrogance. They teach patience. They remind us that we need Allah more than we need comfort. The prophets faced hardships too. They experienced loss, rejection, fear, and loneliness. Yet Allah never abandoned them. Their trials became the path to something greater. So if you're waiting for every problem to disappear before trusting Allah, you may be waiting forever. Instead, ask yourself a different question. What is Allah teaching me through this test? Maybe your struggle is building patience. Maybe it's protecting you from something you cannot see. Maybe it's bringing you closer to your Creator in a way that comfort never could. Remember, Allah never promised a life without tests, but He promised that He is with those who are patient. So don't let your hardship convince you that Allah has forgotten you. Sometimes the struggle you want removed is the very thing that is leading you back to Him. Trust His wisdom. Keep making dua. Keep moving forward. And never lose hope in the mercy of Allah.